morning, my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. It means the world to me. I hope everybody is having a wonderful hump day. It is October the 4th. It's 11:17 here in Oklahoma. It is a nice kind of breezy day. The temperatures have dropped and we're like in the 70s and 80s. So it is this beautiful, beautiful day. I can see, I'm looking out my window and can see the wind is kind of blowing a little bit, and so it's wonderful here. So I am going to be doing an unboxing. A couple of weeks ago I did a video from Make Market, which is a brand that is carried by Joann's, and I had two canvases, but I just did one, and so I'm going to do the other one. And I also got another off the canvas project that I got there as well. They are having their Christmas canvas sales, and when I purchased these, they were 30% off. So their canvas originally are $14.99 for US and $21.99 for Canada. So I ended up paying $10 and some change for both canvases. So we'll just get right into it. So this is the picture that I got. This is a 16 by 20 or 40.6 by 50.8. And I think that this is a company. I don't know if this is a name or not, but I am not even going to try to say it because I've tried it before and it just sounds horrible. So on the back of the box is another thumbnail of the picture. Also has directions on how to diamond paint, and also has the contents. And this is both in English and in French. Okay, I hope you guys are having a good day. I have been off because I have actually gone part-time. So I actually got to be off yesterday and today, and I diamond painted all day yesterday. So I thought today I would try to do some adult things like some laundry and things like that. And I'm also wanting to try to get caught up on my videos because I will be on vacation next week, by the end of next week. So I wanted to try to get out as many videos as I could, and so you'll be seeing this outfit a lot today, or in the next 2 or 3 videos. Okay. Whoops. Sorry guys, I dropped the instruction sheet or pamphlet and it rolled off of my trash can onto the floor. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, there's so much glare. Let me turn this light off. See if that helps. Yeah, much better. Glare still, but not as bad. Look at this snowman with the cardinal. And guys, tell me, I think that when you see a cardinal, doesn't that mean that a loved one from heaven is visiting? I've heard that. I don't know how true that is. But anyway. But look at Frosty. This is 32 colors. And there is a lot of color blocking. And if you are brand new to diamond painting, color blocking just simply means that once you have a set of numbers or symbols that are in a row, and you can just take your multiplacer and just go to town. Whereas confetti would mean that in a particular section, you're going to do several different color changes. But this should work up really fast because there's just color blocking throughout. Good stick, fairly good stick on it. But look how fast it laid down flat. So let me get you a little closer so you can see the drill fill, which is very nice and clear. Look at all that color blocking. I got a vintage red truck, and that's what I'm going to be working on, and I may try to get this. I have so much, like everybody else, I have so many canvases. I'm working on 2 now, which I was going to bring over. You'll see it in the next video. The things that I'm working on, a Maleficent that I am doing for Laura's from Rhinestone Goddess has an event called Megathon, and then I am doing a Pennywise that I am doing for 2 different things. For Holabella and Diamond Painting by Tita are having a fall and Halloween event, and then I'm also using it for my fall y'all for Diamond Grandma, and also I could have used my one that I'm doing for the Megathon for the Halloween and fall event as well. But anyway, but that is just gorgeous, gorgeous. So with each kit, you get, again, a more detailed set of directions. And as I said, they are both in English and in French. So here's that. And then you get your toolkit. And this is like a little more than a basic toolkit, I guess. You get a set of baggies. So if you like to kit up in bags, or if you like to save your drills, you could use these baggies for that. Sometimes I put my special drills and crystals in these. You get a container of wax. Oh, there's 2 in here. And it even says on here on the front to peel off the sticker, because there is a protective sticker on here, and that helps. So that just peels right off. And it comes in this little jar here, which you can use to store your leftovers or use it as to put your trash in, although it's pretty small for that. And then a tray and a single, this is a single placer with a protective grip on here. And this is just to help if you have like arthritis. It's just a comfort grip. So that's what comes in their kit. And this is a round, I know I didn't say that, but here are the drills. Look at that blue. It's like almost like a baby blue, and then some pink, some more blues and white. And I don't think that there are any ABs. Oh, Make Market does not follow DMC. So, I'll just look. Some of the kits come with ABs and some of them don't. My vintage truck did not come with any type of ABs, and I don't think, I'm just going to look to see if I can see any. I don't think that there is any ABs in mine. But that doesn't mean that you cannot add your own personal flair to this. All right. But this is a really, I like this size because it's big enough, I feel like, to give you the detail that you're looking for, but it's not overwhelming where you're going to be like 2 or 3 months working on it. So you have the cardinal here, and then Frosty's, I would definitely put some ABs in the scarf and on the little coal here. I would definitely do that. And maybe here in his hat where the holly is. Yeah, definitely with the little berries and maybe a outlining. And on his smile here. And probably that too. In his corn cob nose. Yeah, there's so many different ways that you can go. I mean, you could do ABs or crystals. It would be beautiful. Still give me a lot of glare, but so I'm gonna just kind of step back so that you see it all. Okay. So I'm gonna put everything back because I'm not going to work on this. I'm gonna see first if I'm gonna be able to add it to my December. I have so much going on. Okay, so then this is Christmas ornaments, which they also had at with the Christmas items. Now I did not, this was 2 weeks ago I think when I bought these, so I haven't went back. Honestly, I have not gone back because I'm afraid I would buy some more canvases, so I have not gone back to Michael's. So I don't know if the 30% is still going on or if they've gone up in percentage. I was too scared. This was originally $7.99 US and $14.99 Canadian, and I think that I ended up paying $5 and some change for it. Because I know if I go in there and they were cheaper, I would have bought more. They had probably, I think seven or 8 different canvases to pick from. And also on the ornaments, they had probably 5 or 6 different ornaments to pick from. So the same toolkit, you get the yarn to hang, and then it also comes with the directions, again, French and in English. And look at these ornaments, they're so cute. And they're the plastic, and you just do one side. So all of these are Christmas trees. Oh, and they are all the same. All the same. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to put up a Christmas tree or not, because my apartment is so small. I think that I probably will. I think I will. But I have to buy a Christmas tree. I was in Walmart yesterday and they had their Christmas decorations out, and I was like, I'll wait. Oh, look at these. So that's gonna go, that's your Christmas star. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those pink. And then here's a little smaller one. And then here's some blue ones. And again, like a sky blue one, and red, and yellow. Oh, I love that yellow. And gold. And then here's a regular drills. Green. Oh, these are the same. So 2 packages of green. That almost reminds me of a hunter green. And then here's a little darker. So maybe like this is a hunter green. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 11 different colors and shapes. So these are adorable. These should work up really fast. Although there is quite a bit of detail, if you can tell, in there, in the branches. And then the bows are the half domes ones. And then they have the little top here where you put the yarn through. Oh, I love that. Love it. Okay, well that's all I have for this batch. So let me put everything back so I don't lose anything. So, do you guys have any events that you're working on for October? I am doing, again, the Halloween and Fall, which is hosted by Hoya Bella and co-hosted by Diamond Art Peeps. And then I'm doing Bloods and Jim is having a tic-tac-toe, so I am doing that event. And you can always go to their Facebook pages, and I will link them in my description, and to find out more information on what you have to do. And in my next video, I will show a progress of mine. I was going to bring it over every time I forget something, and that was what I forgot. So that's just a quick video. If you enjoyed this video, if you'll hit the like button on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of my Struggle Bus family, if you hit that subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified of each and every time I put out a new video, I would appreciate that as well. So remember, guys, to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.